Everyone, Scipio here, and if you've been working on these MQB style vehicles, the Golfs, the Audis, you know how remarkable it is to just be able to stick a jack under, lift a corner of a tire, put a jack stand in, and be done. So I ended up breaking down and buying a new jack that allows me to make that happen, because normally what happens is you've got to jack one corner to put a jack stand on another corner, to then go jack another corner to put a jack stand in a different corner, and it's kind of a pain in the ass because the jack points on these cars are like that long, and there's only 4 of them. Now there are solutions that you can do aftermarket to add additional jack points, but from the factory, literally they're that long, so you don't even have enough room to squeeze a jack and a jack stand side by side. It's not like a frame rail that runs the full length. So this jack that I'm about to show you allows you to add a jack stand at the very same point that you're jacking from. Let me show you how it works. All right, so this is the Powerbilt U-Jack. It's a 4,000 pound jack, and what makes it unique is the jack foot has a slot that allows you to slip a jack stand right in between where you have the vehicle lifted from. And I like that it has these little grooves here, because that aligns perfectly with what we'll find on these vehicles. And as you can see right here, this is our jack point. It's just this little section here that is there to hold the weight of the vehicle with a jack. This is plastic here, and this is plastic. So really, this is your choice. Unfortunately, it's only, what is that, 6 inches long?
That's what she said.
The ability to just add your jack stand in there right between the fork of the jack is pretty helpful. All right, so fundamentally the jack is just a standard floor jack, as you would expect, with the difference being is this foot here, which is split, and then also the front wheels are spread apart, and that's to allow you to slip a jack stand in between. As you can imagine, most floor jacks you're used to just come straight underneath. So this does give a wider base of support. And so once you get it raised, you can take a jack stand such as this. This is a Powerbilt 2-ton, and you can slide it under. So the vehicle's here, you slide it under, you can raise it up. Obviously to the level that the vehicle is jacked. And then when you lower the jack foot, you'll be able to slide the jack out, and the vehicle remains resting on the stand. Now, a couple important notes. They have to be these little small 2-ton. I think maybe a 3-ton might work. The key is it has to be less than 8 inches wide, otherwise it won't fit in there. So for example, I have these monster 6-tons that I use for working on Jeeps, and does not fit in there. So oddly enough, I had to go buy smaller jack stands to use with this. But yeah, that's it. I mean, you just basically bring it up, and then you got to drop the jack a little bit, then you can slide it out, drop it the rest of the way. So it's a fairly low profile jack. It slips easily under this lower Golf R, so unless you're really slammed, you probably won't have a problem. But I found it a super useful tool to be able to quickly get the vehicle up on all 4 corners, or just do work on one corner without having to do this like this. Yeah, normally you have to get one side lifted like this with a jack, which raises the back where you'd actually stick a jack stand in. So yeah. But one problem with this is you don't actually get a lot of height. I've got 5 ratchet points showing on that one and only 2 on this one. So I've gotten that one out twice as far because I can obviously do it with the jack. So let's finish lifting this up, and yeah. The only thing I wish this did have was one of those little quick jack feet pedal things like my other jacks had. All right there. And I'm going to go ahead and raise this one up to match that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 showing. That way they are the same height. Slide it in. And it takes a little bit of practice to get a feel for how to center the jack stand onto that jacking point, but you get the feel of it pretty quick. And then now I'm going to lower it. The release mechanism in this is a little bit touchy, I will say that. Like it's hard to gently lower this. There we go, just enough to clear. Pull it out. Double check, I'm good and centered. All right, and as you can see, I'm right centered in this jack point with all my little rubber undercoating peeling off over. Yeah, that's it. Nice and solid and super easy to get up on all fours. All right, so now next step for me is just to go to the other side and do the same. So yeah, makes it super easy. Stay tuned. Obviously, I'm getting ready to work on the car, so I'm going to do a DSG service. So I'm going to drain the fluids, new filter, all that stuff. I have some other stuff in the works. I have a rear sway bar coming from 034 Motorsport and end links to go with that, and a couple other goodies. You're going to see a lot of Golf R content, so hopefully you're as excited about that as I am. Anyway, I got this stuff on Amazon. It was easy, free shipping, took 2 days to get here, so I was pretty happy about that. So if you're interested in that, I'll put links in the description. They are affiliate links. If you buy from Amazon using those links, throws a little cash at my channel, helps fund the thing, and doesn't cost you anything more, and you'll get it just as fast. Oh wait, what's that? You want to know how to get it down? Same way. Just get the jack under there, lift it to clear. Raise the handle on the jack stand, and then you're out. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.